Hello friends. A quantifier is a word that is used before a noun to say how much or how many. In this lesson, we will learn to use them with the word there and the positive and negative forms of the verb to be in the present tense. Some and any are quantifiers. Some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative sentences. In the present tense, is and are the positive forms of the verb to be. We use there is, there are, there is some and there are some for positive sentences. In the present tense, isn't and aren't are the negative forms of the verb to be. We use there isn't, there aren't, there isn't any and there aren't any for negative sentences. Let's learn how to use these phrases.